Let me now tell you the story about District Pali in Rajasthan, which is about 270 kilometers from the state capital, Jaipur. Now, as we've been seeing, cases in the villages across the country are rising. The worry is that not only are these cases which are rising have kept the villagers completely on the tenterhooks, but also there is a massive mismatch in the data of what the government claims, the number of deaths and the number of cases in this district, than what is being actually seen and reported from the ground. Devankur Vadhavan with this ground report.
A monster COVID surge and a mounting death toll. Districts across Rajasthan are reeling under the second wave. But how true are the numbers shared by the state government? Pali district on paper has 2,500 active cases. But the truth on the ground is quite different, as an India Today reality check found. There are 3 COVID centres in Pali city, the biggest one being the Bangad Government Hospital. And here, what we saw was unsettling. In just 6 hours, 9 bodies of suspected COVID victims were taken away in ambulances.
क्या नाम था, कितनी उम्र थी? कोविड की वजह से मौत हुई थी?
कोविड की वजह से मौत हुई। परमानंद ठाकुर नाम था सर।
क्या उम्र थी इनकी?
इसकी लगभग में 55 वर्ष का था।
The numbers are often higher.
3 गाड़ियाँ लगी हुई है, उन्होंने 3-4 बॉडी छोड़ के आए अभी
10 से 12 बॉडीज रोज की यहाँ से इसी एक अस्पताल से जा रही हैं आपका?
हाँ सर, अलग अलग ड्राइवर लेके जाते हैं। 3 ड्राइवर कंट्रोल रूम से वो आती है, एसडीएम से बस आपको फ़ोन करते हैं और अलग अलग ड्राइवर से कभी 2 लेके जाता है, 3 लेके जाता है।
So clearly this is one particular hospital of Pali district, the government hospital which has the biggest COVID center, the biggest COVID hospital in the entire district. And from this particular hospital itself, there have been 10 to 12 bodies on a daily basis of patients who were admitted at this hospital which have been taken out. But the government figures as far as the COVID patients are concerned are far less. So what is the reality and where does the truth lie is something which the government should clarify.
What's shocking is many of these deaths are not attributed to COVID. The district authorities claim many patients who test negative for the virus suffer lung damage similar to COVID.
हमारे यहाँ बांगड़ हॉस्पिटल के अंदर भी आज भी अगर हम देखते हैं तो लगभग 50% तो रेशो ऐसा रहता ही है जो कोविड पॉजिटिव नहीं है, लेकिन उनका HRCT स्कोर ज़्यादा है। हम उसको ट्रीटमेंट कोविड का दे रहे होते हैं, परंतु यदि अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर किसी केस के अंदर डेथ होता है तो हम उसको कोविड पॉजिटिव डेथ के अंदर नहीं मानते।
Crematoriums are bearing the brunt of the sudden surge in deaths. Pali's Sri Hindu Seva Mandal crematorium, the only gas crematorium for COVID bodies, has been shut for days after it developed a snag following overuse.
8-10 बॉडी रोज के आ रही है, 5-6 बॉडी कोविड आ जाती है। सुबह 8 बजे से गैस प्लांट चालू हो जाता है, रात को 8-9 बजे तक, तो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो होती है।
Dead bodies that had been arriving out here had increased from 2 to 3 to around 10 to 12 patients' dead bodies on a daily basis. The load has increased so much that the gas crematorium had to be shut down temporarily because it developed some snags because of the increased death toll of COVID patients. And somehow it seems that on the ground, the figures presented by the Rajasthan government as far as the death toll is concerned is not in sync with the real situation. With Nikhil Sharma and Bharat Bhushan, Devankur Vadhavan in Pali, India.